Let's go!
Watch to the end for a free Robux code.
Quick, you have 7 seconds to like, comment and subscribe. Get ready, get set, go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it in time?
So I was scrolling my catalog until I found those. Look how does they look like, and this is how they works.
Wow!
Oh, I love it. This one is too slow.
Women.
Guy moved like a monkey. Oh, this one is the best. Write in the comments which one is the best. So recently Roblox released new, free, but hidden blocks. Let me teach you how to get it. Find my profile in Roblox. Press favorites and find this body. And now find this leg. Look, it is the best free version of the Roblox that I have ever seen. Also join my Discord, link in bio. It's time to test this item out. It must give me Robux if I will wear it.
Wow!
2,000 years later.
No way it's working.
What's working?